Hey guys, and welcome back to Number 9 Farms. Guess what I got in the mail today from the UPS guy, I should say. I got the Ninja Foodi grill. Some friends of ours had bought one of these, and we went to their camper and they had it, and I was wanting one the whole time, couldn't get one. So I kept saying I wasn't going to get one, and finally HSN, I was like, okay, I broke down and bought it at HSN. So they want to make sure you know that you're only supposed to use avocado oil or canola oil or, what was the other one?
Grapeseed oil.
Grapeseed oil, okay? Because it's high, these can tolerate high temperatures more so than the olive oil, plus it doesn't smoke. The olive oil would smoke. So first of all, Bruce already took it out of the box that it came in. This is just the box, he cut it open. So this is the lid. And we'll see or that's the inside. Oh yeah, she's heavy.
Oh yes, you got a heavy one.
All right, and that's it. It's in the box. And it talks about on the side of the box, frozen and char and grill in 25 minutes. No flip all around searing and up to 75% less fat than deep frying. So let's see how this is. And it has that new smell, like smells like a new car or something.
How will we know what a new car smells like?
Well.
We rode in them. Yeah.
I can dream, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, it came with some the tape with the cloth inside of it. Wow. Look at this. Spacious.
Ooh.
And Joel, our friend Joel that has one, he talks about he bakes cakes in it and everything. So I'm excited to see what we're going to be able to do. And so tonight I'm going to be cooking some chicken in the new Foodi. So let's see how that goes. Thank you. Out of the package. This is your removable cooking pot. Oh no, that's the one in here. Sorry about that. That's that one. And then this one is the crisper basket. And then this one is the grill grate. The brush for cleaning and the skewers that came with that. And this here is the grill grate, I said that. Okay, and then it came with the little manual. And then it's some quick information. And then a little Ninja Foodi grill cookbook. Nashville hot fried chicken. Wow. Look at all these good recipes. And grilled watermelon, honey herb and charred carrots, grilled tomato salsa. And then it also has another little quick guide. Okay. Alright, so what I wanted to show you on the new Ninja is it comes with the little splatter guard, and you just want to pull that up and push that down, and when you put it back in there, it has a little tab. Just put it right back in there, and you got to wash and clean this every time, but do not run it without it because it can cause a fire and it can cause smoke, or maybe not a fire, but at least smoke and splatter, and makes a big mess. There's a all right, so put that back on. So that's on. You go ahead and wash everything before you start, which I've already done. And now we're going to go ahead, and you don't have to do anything. I greased the little chicken just enough with the avocado oil to go ahead and stick the, and Bruce, he cut off all the little legs. So I'm going to use the grill cycle. What did we want to put else in here, Bruce? Did you want to?
Let's fill it up, princess.
All right, so now I think it's pretty full.
Probably get one more leg in there.
Okay, well, we want to cook it where it gets done. Not stuff it. All right, let me wash my hands. Go ahead and turn. I've already plugged it in. Hit the start or turn it on. Duh. Got it. All right, so we're gonna be doing the high mode for the griddle. And who hit start. And they said it's best to preheat it for 8 minutes before you put everything in. But as you can see, I didn't follow those rules.
She never follows directions.
Yeah, well, you're not exactly the best at it.
Directions are for
So
nothing
anyways,
else works.
they give you a little cheat sheet inside here. So you can, and then over here, what I wanted to show you, I was reading all the directions so that, you know, you knew all the ins and outs of it. So it's a good idea to do that. All right. All right, guys, so I'm going to check the legs now and check the temperature. Because, of course, I'm always cautious like that. I can see that the thighs aren't done, but I can tell you these legs are. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get all those out. So I decided that I was going to go ahead and cook some Brussels sprouts in there too, just to test it out. So I went ahead and put some avocado oil, some salt, and some garlic salt. So I'm going to go ahead and mix these up now, and then I'm going to put them inside the Ninja. Oh my gosh.
And that's how you eat a chicken leg. What's that?
Okay guys, what I wanted to do today was I wanted to wrap up the video here on the Ninja. And tonight what we're going to do, when I first played the video for the first time getting it, I forgot to tell you that I didn't allow it to warm up. Now you may have already saw that it didn't warm up on the way the bar was bouncing across the screen. So we're going to be cooking hamburgers. So what we're going to do is we're going to be putting it on high for the grill, and we're going to hit, it's already plugged in, push it on, and come over here, Dusty. So you're going to hit the high button, which is the 500. If you can adjust the temperature if you want it to, go down some, or you can stay at 500. I'm going to go down just a little bit because we're going to cook the burgers, and you're going to set your timer. So say it says 4 to 9 minutes for burgers, so we'll go there and hit start. And now it's going to preheat, and this bar will go all the way across, and then it'll say add food. All right, and I'll be back. See how it's the bar is going up, so it's almost there, ready to get to temperature. And then it'll, once it gets to temperature, it'll say add food. Add food, so it's time to put the burgers on. 6, 7 burgers in there. And put in some spices and onions and bell peppers. I've just now flipped them over, and I'm going to go ahead and put the temperature back up to 500. Guys, they're done. So it looks like it took about 15 minutes for my burgers, and if you open it, it'll tell you shut lid. But mine are really thick because I pattied them all myself, and then I freeze them in the little vacuum seal bags after I freeze them first on a tray, so that way they don't stick together. Hey guys, now it's time for dinner. Thanks for watching.